the reactions are of two types in Iran.
Yes.
Part of people are celebrating this, and rest are just crying like anything. How do you see this?
Um, well, I only can speak for the people, for the Iranian Canadians who are hopeful for a better, liberated Iran, for the free Iran. And what we hope for is that we would take our fate in our own hands, and we could make Iran great again without the dictatorship and the slaughter and the human slaughter that the Khamenei and its regime has made, upon us. So whoever is crying, I would say, they're crying for their own leader who is forcing his own ideologies, faith by killing people. So it's obvious, for some of us to be sad because no one is happy with human death. Nobody
Yeah,
celebrates
yeah,
death.
definitely, definitely. In the world, there will be no person happy to see human death. But the now question is, the people those are feeling liberated or those are celebrating this news are how much in percentage in Iran? How do you feel this? Are the majoritarian people are celebrating this, or are the minoritarian persons are feeling celebrating this?
Well, in my personal opinion, the majority of Iranians, because what you see in Iran, with the Iran massacre, you know how many people they were shot in the streets.
Yeah, there is news that 30,000, around 30,000 people were killed in this January uprising.
Ankit Kumar, my brother, Ankit Kumar Jan. Meri Zindagi, listen to me. You go in the street demonstrating peacefully, not armed. You're a civilian. Even one person is crime against humanity to be killed this way. And you're talking about the official number, 30,000 of people, unarmed civilians, to be killed by their own government, and you're telling me that they are majority? If they were the majority government, they had no need to kill people to make this massacre. They were no need to censorship. The freedom of the speech and internet is to the restrictions to the point that people are facing life imprisonment or death, or hanging by getting hanged by the regime. But it's still they're talking and they're speaking. You can imagine the oppression. Without it, maybe we have a better and more clear view of what Iran wants. Yes, you're right. We need an election. We need people to choose their own faith. We believe in people. We believe in their power. And we want them to have that power. Let's move this oppression. Some people are grateful to President Trump to give them this opportunity to move this terrorist regime that they're massacring their own people. Imagine for 1 second, if they have atomic bombs, what they're gonna do to others. If they're doing this to their own people, if we cannot have a peaceful demonstration, no guns, 16-year-old young boy was in prison, was killed in the street, 5-year-olds, 8-year-olds, 12-year-olds. And you can imagine what kind of terrorist regime you're dealing with. After this operation is moved, maybe we have a better, and more clear view of what the voice of Iranian people are. And if even the faith and the religion is Islam, God bless them all, and we respect them.